In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Brave browser with a password. If you share your computer or just want an extra layer of privacy, adding a password to Brave is a smart move. Brave doesn't include a built-in master lock, so we'll use a trusted extension from the Chrome Web Store to do the job. This walkthrough is for desktop. First, open the Brave browser. Give it a second to load your usual home page or tabs. Next, look to the top right corner and click the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, and choose Settings. From here, you'll get access to all of Brave's controls. Now, navigate to the Extensions area. Click Extensions, and then click Web Store. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store, which Brave supports. In the store's search bar, type a keyword like Browser Lock or Lock PW. You'll see several options. Take a moment to glance at the star ratings, recent update dates, and permission requests so you pick something reliable and actively maintained. Once you've chosen the extension you trust, click Add to Brave. A small dialog will appear describing what the extension can do. Click Add Extension to confirm. Brave will download it and place it in your toolbar. Right after installation, the extension will usually open a setup page. Follow the prompts to create your password, and if asked, a password hint. Choose a strong password you can remember. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols, and make sure the hint helps you without giving it away. Some extensions also offer options like auto lock on startup or after inactivity. Pick the behavior you prefer. From this point on, the extension will lock your browser each time you start Brave, or whenever you manually trigger the lock using the extensions button. That means your open tabs and settings stay out of sight until the correct password is entered. When you see the lock screen, simply type the password you set and confirm to unlock the browser. Be careful. If you forget the password, you may need to remove the extension to regain access, which can close sessions or disrupt saved states. Also remember, this protects access to the browser interface. It doesn't encrypt files on your computer. And that's it. You've added a password lock to Brave with just a few clicks. Keep your password safe and review the extension settings anytime if you want to change how and when the lock activates.